In today's video, we are going to prepare not just one, but two amazing natural remedies that you can easily make at home. The first one is a skin whitening face toner. And the second is a skin whitening face pack. Both of these recipes are simple, chemical-free, and made with ingredients that are probably already sitting in your kitchen. Let's begin with the ingredients for our first remedy. Take about 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds. These little seeds might look ordinary. They are packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your skin. Now, add some water to them, just enough to cover the seeds. Place the pot on a medium flame and gently heat it. Don't rush the process. The gentle heating helps release all the natural oils and beneficial compounds from the fennel seeds. Stir it in between so that the seeds don't stick to the bottom and burn. Once you've given it a nice warm soak, let it cool down completely. This is important because we want to preserve all the nutrients and not damage them with heat. After it's cooled, we're going to leave it for 8 to 10 hours. This allows the fennel seeds to soak completely and release their goodness into the water. Once the soaking is done, add the mixture to a grinder. Now you might be wondering, why are we using fennel seeds in this remedy? Well, fennel seeds are rich in copper, magnesium, and zinc, all of which are essential minerals for healthy, glowing skin. These minerals help promote collagen production, fight bacteria, and even out your skin tone. Go ahead and grind it into a smooth mixture. This remedy is suitable for all skin types, but it works especially well for oily and acne-prone skin. Now, using a fine strainer, cotton pads, or a muslin cloth, filter the mixture. This step is important because we want a smooth, clear extract for our toner. The fennel seed extract has antiseptic properties that help remove dirt and bacteria, the same bacteria that often cause oil buildup and breakouts. Fennel also contains compounds like limone, anethol, and myrcene. These natural components are known to reduce inflammation, soothe the skin, and treat acne effectively. First remedy: skin whitening face toner. Take 2 tablespoons of the fennel seed extract you just prepared. Add 4 tablespoons of rose water. Rose water is not only refreshing but also helps balance your skin's natural oil production, keeping it neither too dry nor too oily. Next, add a few drops of lemon essential oil. If you don't have the essential oil, don't worry. You can also use fresh lemon juice. In that case, just squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Lemon is a natural brightening agent that helps lighten dark spots and gives your skin a healthy glow. Mix everything well. Your toner is ready to use. Second remedy, skin whitening face pack. For the second remedy, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour. This is an age-old ingredient used in beauty treatments to remove tan and improve skin texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oats powder. Oats are great for gentle exfoliation and soothing irritated skin. Now, add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds extract from the first preparation. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. First, wash your face with a face wash or a mild cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup. Then, apply a thick layer of the face pack evenly all over your face. Avoid the eye area, as the skin there is delicate. Leave the mask on until it dries completely. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once dry, rinse it off with normal room temperature water. Your skin will already feel softer and fresher. After washing off the face pack, take the toner you prepared earlier and gently apply it to your face using a cotton pad. Let it air dry completely. For best results, you can leave the toner on overnight so that it continues to work while you sleep. Store your toner in an airtight container. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week to maintain its freshness and potency. This is an all-natural remedy, completely free of chemicals, and safe for all age groups. Whether you are a teenager dealing with acne or someone looking to bring back that youthful glow, this can work for you. Do give this remedy a try, and once you do, please share your valuable experience with me by commenting down below. I truly love reading your feedback and seeing your results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful and natural home remedies that you can easily try at home.